Good morning, students. This is our first class and today we will study measurement, unit conversion. In this, we will study unit of length and how to convert the different units of length that we use in our everyday life into one another. As we know, the base unit of length is meter and it is written as small m. Here I have made a table and this is base unit and unit written on left are the bigger units of length. So when length is big, we use bigger units of length, and on the right I have written smaller units of length. So when length is decreasing, we use smaller units of length. So decameter is bigger than meter, hectometer is even bigger than decameter, and if length is even bigger, we use kilometer to denote it. And millimeter is smaller than centimeter and centimeter is smaller than decimeter. So whenever we have to write smaller length, we will use smaller units to denote it. When we are talking about bigger unit, we will use decameter, hectometer, kilometer. And when we are talking about small units, we will talk in terms of decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Let us understand how to convert one unit into another with help of this table. This kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. This is bigger unit, small than hectometer, small than kilometer. Decameter is small than hectometer. Meter is small than decameter. Decimeter is smaller than meter. Centimeter is smaller than decimeter and millimeter is the smallest unit. As we move from big unit to small unit, we multiply by 10. Now you see in this table, relation between each gap is 10 units. The relation between each gap is 10 units. So as we move from big unit to small unit, that is whenever we have to convert big unit into smaller unit, we will multiply by 10. And vice versa. That is when we have to convert small unit to bigger unit, whenever we have to move from small unit to bigger unit, we will divide by 10 because the relation between each gap is 10 units. So when we are moving from small unit to bigger unit, we will divide by 10. And whenever we are moving from big unit to small, we will always multiply. From big to small, we will multiply. From small to big, we will divide. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. Question 1. 1 meter is equals to dash centimeter. How many? 1 meter is how many centimeter? Let us come back to this table. 1 meter is how many centimeter? Meter is bigger unit as compared to centimeter. So we have to move from meter to centimeter. In this, we have to move from bigger unit to smaller unit. 1, 2. See, we are moving two places to right. We are moving two places for smaller unit. So we have to multiply by 10 two times. So come here, 1 into 10 into 10. So the answer will be 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now come to our next question. 2 kilometer is equals to how many meters? To come back to this table, 2 kilometer is equals to how many meter? You see from this table, kilometer is bigger unit as compared to meter. So we have to convert bigger unit to smaller unit. So whenever we are converting bigger to smaller, we always multiply. Kilometer to meter. So how many times we have to multiply to convert kilometer into meter? 10 into 10 into 10. So we have to multiply by 10 3 times. So that is 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. So after multiplying, we get our answer 2000 meter. Therefore, 2 kilometer is equals to 2000 meter. You see, using this table, you can do all the conversions. Let us come to our next example. 300 centimeter is equals to how many meters? Centimeter to meter. See, now we have to move from small unit to bigger unit. As we have discussed earlier, when we move from small unit to big unit, we always divide. But we have to see how many times we have to divide. Centimeter, when we are moving from centimeter to meter, we are moving two places. we are jumping 2 gaps. So we have to divide by 10 2 times. So that will be 300 because we have to convert 300. So we will divide 300 upon 10 into 10. So that is 300 upon 100. So answer will be 3 meter. Children, what we have done here, you will copy it as your classwork in Arithmetic 1. And now this is your home assignment. Thank you, children. That's all for now. I'll see you in your next video.